everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm CHEFdin and we're on our travels again around Asia, and we're in Sri Lanka and this beautiful place called Kandy. Now this is, as you can see, a magical place, and we have just booked ourselves into this beautiful place. It's called Regency Heights, and is run by two friends of ours, Imtiaz and Aisha Yassin, and they have owned this hotel for the last year, and it's a beautiful location, and the rooms are nice as well. So I highly recommend, if you come to Kandy, book into this hotel. They will look after you. Anyway, I was staying here, and I promised Imtiaz and Aisha that I would cook them breakfast. So this is my take on breakfast at their hotel. Anyway, when I came down, I was quite shocked to see they set up a demonstration area so their staff could observe how I make breakfast in the morning, and it was quite amazing really. I had this large audience as well watching how I make my parathas and potato bhaji and also omelette. You'll find all the recipes on my channel, so you too can have a go and enjoy this lovely breakfast in the morning. I got my friend Imtiaz as well to have a go making parathas. As you can see, he's no expert. He's probably never ever made a paratha in his life, but he's gonna have a go and see if he can make one. What are you doing? What are you doing? You wasn't watching. This is the problem with getting the right staff nowadays. Look at it. Look. Okay, you do. This is okay now?
No.
You didn't watch. See, you didn't watch. Make it big.
Look it. Make it look good.
Big as possible. One thing about Sri Lanka, what most people know, is that Sri Lanka is the land of spices, especially the cinnamon, because in Sri Lanka you get the best cinnamon in the world. And I was lucky to find a supplier and bought 1 kilo to take home with me. Anyway, I know that on traveling you end up meeting really interesting people, and I can say that on this trip we have made 2 really good friends, and we hope to become even greater friends in the future, and I hope to see them in maybe Tenerife one day. So this was a great experience, Sri Lanka. If you haven't been, you should come, because they have some beautiful scenery, and especially the tea plantations. We hired a car and drove quite a distance around the tea plantations, then down to the coast, which was really enjoyable. I highly recommend it. So I'm going to just let you watch and see what I'm doing, because it's a wonderful experience to be able to give someone, especially when you're traveling, on how you cook food, because their style of cooking is completely different to yours. Anyway, enjoy the video. Hold there and I'm not going to make it too hot because I need another one. Okay. Then you what? Then you know.
අම්බිලි මේක කරාට පස්සේ මේක රෙස් කරන්න ඕනේ.
පිටට තියන්න.
තියන්න ඕනේ. අර එකපාරම දාන්න ඕනේ.
ඕන රොටියක් පොඩ තියන්න. නැත්නම් ගලවලා දෙන්න.
These are like new potatoes.
New?
Yeah. When you're doing any vegetable,
Yeah.
you have to make sure that all your vegetables are the same size. See, we're now ready for our turmeric. And fresh coriander we have. Some water. Yeah.
Water?
Have we got a lid?
Yeah. Retake a pudding. Good one. Retake.
මුඩිය.
We only need a little water for it to steam. That's all. How hungry are you?
I don't need to make a small one. I will have a slice. Thank you. Hot? Yeah.
No. Is it hot?
This was your green chili with the close there.
Well, when you cook omelette, if you fry it in indigestion.
Digest what you think?
Indigestion. If it was a little bit softer, then
Yeah.
it's much easier
Ah.
to make.
ඊයේ ඊට පස්සේ මොන කිව්වනේ තව මේව ටිකක් දාන්න. එහෙම දාන්න. ඒක හරි ගානවා.
See, this is the thickness. See? You mustn't have it very hot, you know, not too hot.
Not hot. Okay.
At the moment, I'm trying to find out what the temperature is, and so that this is paratha.
It's the paratha.
You can make it with chapati atta if you want. You can make it with. In the restaurant, I used to make it with chapati.
Ah, okay.
When you're doing a demonstration in a new environment, your utensils and everything are completely new. So this is like learning how to use the cooking utensils I had on hand. So I think it went quite well, and the food will taste great. So that's it. It's all ready nearly. I'm so pleased that I done this demonstration for my friend Imtiaz and his staff. they really enjoyed it, and they enjoyed seeing how I made my parathas, because everywhere is different. Sri Lankan parathas are different from Bangladeshi parathas, but they were really keen to watch and learn. So I was happy, as you can see, all the staff taking photos at the end. And would you believe, my friend Imtiaz is a hotelier, I don't know, by accident maybe, or he says something to do, because actually he was a stone merchant, precious stones. So I wish him all the luck with his new venture, and hopefully we will meet up again in the future. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.